Managing heme during AlloFlo Uveo procedures. Intraoperative heme can occur during cyclodialysis creation and implantation, and understanding how to manage it is key to maintaining visualization and procedural confidence. Not all heme is concerning. Small, self-limited reflux bleeding is common and often expected when entering vascular tissue planes. This type typically clears with irrigation and does not affect outcomes. Concerning heme includes rapid chamber filling, persistent obscuration of angle structures, loss of visualization during critical steps. Mitigation begins before surgery. Review anticoagulant and antiplatelet use when appropriate, while balancing systemic safety. Gentle tissue handling and controlled instrument advancement significantly reduces bleeding risk. If heme develops, pause advancement. Use shugarcaine in the bleeding area, as the epinephrine is a vasoconstrictor and aids in the heme control. Maintain chamber stability with additional viscoelastic, which can clear the view and tamponade bleeding. Allow time for clearing before proceeding. Heme becomes clinically significant when it prevents visualization of landmarks needed for safe implantation. The key principle is simple: restore visualization before continuing. Effective heme management keeps the procedure controlled, predictable, and safe.